Today we are going to learn about SPDT स्विच से प्रोग्रामिंग कैसे करते हैं। SPDT क्या है? SPDT में सिंगल पोल डबल थ्रो। ओके, मीन्स एक स्विच में NO NC दोनों रहता है। ओके, सी द प्रोग्राम। When any of the two toggle switches are on, output will be off, means off condition. When any of the two toggle switches are off, output will be off. When two toggle switches are on, also the output is in off condition. When any two toggle switches are off, the output will be in off condition. When both two toggle switches are on, the output will be on. When both the toggle switches are off, output will be on. Any two toggle, both two toggle. Okay, see the program. Let's start. This one is the one switch, and this one is another switch. Right click, edit, comment, run comment, paste the question. Okay, this is one switch, and this one also one switch. Okay. Baker file, Baker project, then download the program, then run. See, when any of the two toggle switches are on, this is one switch, this is another switch. This is the one switch and this is another switch. For same switch, we are taken the NC pointer, both NO NC, NO NC. S1, S2. So when any of the two toggle switches are on, output will be off, and when any of the two toggle switches are off, output will be off. When both the two switches are on, output will be on. See, when both the switches are on, means output will be on. When both the two toggle switches are off, output will be off. Output will be on. Now S1 and S2 both switches are in off condition. In this case, output is in on state. Now in on state, what are given? When both the two toggle switches are off, output will be on. Then one case is satisfied. Another switch, another. When both of the two toggle switches are on, this one also, and one switch, and this one S2 switch, and two switches are on. That time also output is in on condition. Two conditions are satisfied. Another condition, when any of the two toggle switches are off, any of the two toggle switches are off, any of the two toggle switch. See, S1 is in off condition. This one S1 is in off condition, and S2. This is S2. S1, S1, S2, S2. S1 is off condition. Here also S1 is in off condition. Off condition. Output is off. Same like this one made off. This one made on. See, S2 is in now. S2 is in off condition. S1 also in off condition. That time also output is in off condition. When any of the two toggle switches are on, output will be off. When any of the two toggle switches are off, output will be off. When both the toggle switches are on, output will be on. When both the toggle switches are off, output will be on. So go to next program. Go to plan. Then make one next round. See, in a two storage building, there are two number of two-way switches. In the staircase, when anyone makes either of the S1 or S2 on or off, the lamp in the staircase should glow and dark accordingly. The common lamp in between S1 and S2 can be made on or off by the two switches. The lamp can be made on by S1 and can be made off by S2 and can be made on by S2 and off by S1. This is the staircase program. See, copy the program. Edit command. Paste here. Next program. You have to check two-way switch. You have to place two-way switch. This one switch. This one switch. Output two-way switch. Here we will 0.0, 0.1. We have to give 0.2 onwards. 0.2. Two-way switch. So same 3, same 4, 3, then output verify file, verify project, download, then run the program. See, in a two storage building, there are two number of two-way switches are staircase. Okay, this is one switch, this is one switch, two-way switch, two contacts. Okay, when anyone made either switch 1 or switch 2 on or off, the lamp in staircase should glow and dark accordingly. See? S1 is now in. You have to give the name S3, S4. Now S3 is in NC condition, S1 in NO condition. Because this one is in switch 1 and S4 for switch 2. So switch 1 or switch 2 on. Now I am on the switch 2. If I will switch 2 on, that time the lamp in the staircase is glowing. The common lamp in between switch 1 and switch 2 can be made on or off by two switches. The lamp can be made on by switch 1 and can be off by switch 2. Now I make the switch through switch 2. I made the output on. Now I am going to off in switch 1. Now this is the switch 1. I am going to on. See, output is automatically goes off. Same when I am switch 1 fully on, that time the output is on. Same in switch 2 I will operate, that time the output is going to in off condition. Means the program is working. Go to next program. In a corridor, there are 4 switches and 3 bulbs. When a man enters from one side to corridor and press switch 1, bulb 1 gets on. When the man presses switch 2, bulb 2 gets on and bulb 1 gets off. When the man press switch 3, bulb 3 gets on and bulb 2 gets off. When the man press switch 4, bulb 3 gets off. The same thing can happen if at any instance a man enter from any side. See, for this, how to write the program. Go to line, new round, paste the program for create visible. So let's start switch 1. This one is the switch 1. This is the lamp 1. This is the switch 2. Lamp 2. Switch 3. Output lamp 3. 3. See, this is the switch 1 for switch 2, switch 3, switch 4. Lamp 1, lamp 2, then lamp 3. See, verify project. Download the program. Error is not given. Okay. Verify the project. One by one we have to see the program. कैसे काम करता है ये प्रोग्राम में. Okay. Run the program. See, then in corridor 4 switches. This is for switch 1, this is for switch 2, this is for switch 3, this is for switch 4. This one bulb 1, bulb 2, bulb 3. When switch 1 press, bulb gets on. So this is the switch 1, and switch on, bulb gets on. Means bulb 1 gets on. Okay. Then when main press switch 2, when switch 2 I am pressing, that time bulb 2 is glowing, but bulb 1 is not getting off. So for off, what we have to do? What we have to do? For that, we have to use here one NC contact. Okay, we have to use one NC contact. Same thing we have to for switch 2. Here we have to place the same. Like same switch 3 also we have to use NC contact. NC contact we have to use. For this address we have to copy and paste here. Same thing also here for switch 3. See the program. Now program will work. Now program will work in run. See starting on us. We have to see the program starting on us. When switch 1 is on, that time the bulb 1 gets on. After that, when the main presses the switch 2, this is the switch 2. When switch 2 is on, bulb 2 gets on, bulb 1 gets off. When main presses the switch 3, this is the switch 3. When switch 3 on, bulb 3 gets on, bulb 2 gets off. When the main presses switch 4, this is the switch 4, bulb 3 gets off. Okay, the program is now working finely. The same thing can happen if in any instance a man enters from another side. Now man enters this side. Now man enters in reverse side. See when he press the switch 3, first we have to switch for. When we have to on the switch a main, another side entering, that time he presses the switch first S4. When the S4 I am on S4, that time see the bulb 3 gets on. Then press the 3, that time bulb 3 gets off, 2 gets on. Same thing in S2 case, same thing in S2 case, bulb 2 gets off, bulb 1 gets on. Same S2 when main press the S1 switch, that time that bulb 1 also gets off. थैंक यू। नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम और एक प्रोग्रामिंग के बारे में देखेंगे। जितना भी हम तीन प्रोग्राम किया है, लेसन में जितना भी प्रोग्राम है, मैं ये सबको मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूंगा। ओके, थैंक यू।